This one prompt made me go from 200 views to 2 million in a week, and I am about to hand it to you for free, so pay attention, because what I am about to show you is the exact system I use to write scripts that stop thumbs, kill scrolls, and rack up millions of views. And the best part? You can copy and paste it the moment this video ends. Let's go. Alright, first, let's talk about why your ChatGPT scripts are flopping. Because here's the thing. Most people open ChatGPT, type, write me a viral YouTube short script about topic, and then wonder why it sounds like a Wikipedia article read by a robot. Sound familiar? Yeah, I thought so. The problem is not ChatGPT. The problem is the prompt. You are basically asking an AI to read your mind. And unless you give it the structure, the energy, the psychology, the format, the hook, the pacing, and the close, it has no idea what to do. It's like hiring a chef and saying, cook me dinner. Well, what kind? Spicy? Sweet? For who? You have to give it the recipe. So here is step 1. You give ChatGPT a role. Tell it exactly what kind of writer it is. This is the part that everyone skips, and it is the part that changes everything. Watch what I do here. I open up ChatGPT and I type, look at this. You are a viral short-form video scriptwriter who specializes in YouTube Shorts and TikTok content. You understand hook psychology, swipe away rates, and the algorithm. You write in a punchy, conversational, first-person tone. You never use filler words. Every sentence either creates curiosity or delivers value. Boom, that's it. That is step 1. Now do not skip this part, because once ChatGPT knows its role, every single response from that point forward gets framed in that voice. It's like casting an actor before you start shooting. You would not just say, act dramatic. You would say, you are a detective in 1980s New York and you just found a body. Specifics matter, always. Step 2. Once the role is set, you tell it the exact structure. Here is the structure I use, the one that gets me millions of views. 4 parts. Hook, setup, payoff, loop. The hook is 0 to 3 seconds, 1 line, bold claim, a question, or a pattern interrupt. The setup is 3 to 8 seconds, 1 or 2 sentences confirming why they should stay. The payoff is 8 to 45 seconds. The actual content, the tip, the story, the secret. And the loop is the last 3 to 5 seconds, a surprise ending or a reason to rewatch. I feed this into ChatGPT. Look at the screen. Every script you write will follow this exact structure. Hook, 0 to 3 seconds. Setup, 3 to 8 seconds. Payoff, 8 to 45 seconds. Loop, 45 to 60 seconds. Maximum 80 words total. No fluff. Now here's where it gets really spicy. Step 3. You give it examples of viral hooks. Not a paragraph, a list. 5 of them. Watch this. I paste in 5 real viral hooks I have used before. Here are examples of the tone and style I want. Match this energy exactly. Number 1, this one trick made me $10,000 in 30 days. Number 2, you have been doing it wrong your entire life. Number 3, I tried this for 7 days. The results are insane. Number 4, nobody is talking about this, but it changes everything. Number 5, if you see this, watch till the end. It gets crazy. Why does this work? Because AI learns by example. 1 example is a hint. 5 examples is a pattern. And patterns are how you train a model to sound like you, not like a robot. Step 4. Now you give it the actual topic. And this is where most people fumble. They type the topic and that's it. But no, you need to add constraints. Time, audience, tone, platform. Look at what I type. Write a 60-second YouTube short script on the topic of insert your topic here. Target audience, who is watching. Tone, conversational, slightly exaggerated, high energy. Platform, YouTube Shorts, also cross-posting to TikTok. Include a curiosity loop, a surprise ending, and a text overlay suggestion for the first frame. Boom. That's the whole framework so far. Role, structure, examples, constraints, topic, 5 inputs, and what comes out is not a generic script. It's a script that sounds like a human, follows a proven structure, and is optimized for the algorithm. But wait, hold on. We are not done, because step 5 is the secret sauce. And this is what takes a good script and turns it into a viral one. I go back into ChatGPT and I say, now give me 10 variations of just the hook. Each one must use a different psychological trigger. Curiosity, fear, surprise, controversy, relatability, urgency, identity, authority, before, after, and pattern interrupt. Keep the body of the script the same. only change the hook. And this is where the magic happens, because now, instead of one script, you have 10 versions of the same script. And you can film all 10, post the best one first, and then drip the rest out over the next 2 weeks. You just turned one video idea into 10 videos. That is not just a script, that is a content machine. Now, I know what you are thinking. Okay, cool. But what about the visuals, the B-roll, the editing, the voiceover? That is where this gets really fun. Because the next part of the workflow, after the script, is where Vidmachine comes in. And I am not even exaggerating when I say this is the missing piece. Look at the screen. That is vidmachine.ai. Once I have the script, I take it straight over to Vidmachine. I paste it in, I pick the AI influencer style I want, and Vidmachine automatically generates the visuals, the B-roll, the on-screen text, even the pacing, all from the script I just wrote. No filming, no editing, no face, just paste, click, and post. You guys, this is wild. I am talking about a fully automated pipeline. ChatGPT writes the script. Vidmachine turns it into a video. You upload it, done. 10 minutes, start to finish. That is not the future, that is right now. And anyone who is not using this stack is going to get buried. Let me show you the actual prompt I use. Screenshot this. You are going to want this. Here is the full copy-paste prompt. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You are a viral short-form video script writer who specializes in YouTube Shorts and TikTok content. You understand hook psychology, swipe away rates, and the algorithm. You write in a punchy, conversational, first-person tone. You never use filler words. Every sentence either creates curiosity or delivers value. Every script you write will follow this exact structure. Hook, 0 to 3 seconds. Setup, 3 to 8 seconds. Payoff, 8 to 45 seconds. Loop, 45 to 60 seconds. Maximum 80 words total. No fluff. Topic, your topic. Target audience, engender audience. Tone, platform. Give me the script and then 10 hook variations using different psychological triggers. That is it. That is the whole thing. Paste that in, fill in the brackets, hit enter, and watch what comes out. You will get a fully formatted, viral-ready script in less than 10 seconds. And if you do not like the first one, hit regenerate. Keep going until you get one that gives you chills. Now, real quick, before we wrap, let me give you the 3 mistakes that will kill your script even if you use this prompt. Mistake number 1. Do not give it a vague topic. Make a video about money is dead on arrival. Make a video about how I made $500 in 24 hours selling digital products is alive and kicking. Specifics win. Always. Mistake number 2. Do not skip the examples. The 5 hooks I gave you earlier, that is not optional. That is the difference between a script that sounds like a textbook and a script that sounds like a real human. AI learns by example. Feed it examples or get generic garbage. Mistake number 3. Do not film the first draft. Generate 10 hook variations, pick the strongest one, rewrite the script using that hook, and then film that. The first draft is a starting point. It is not the final product. Okay, last thing. I am going to give you a bonus. I made a free guide. It has every single ChatGPT prompt I use to write viral scripts, plus the Vidmachine workflow, plus the exact posting schedule I follow. Link in the description. Go grab it. It is free, it is instant, no email required. And if you want to skip all of this and let the AI do literally everything for you, head to vidmachine.ai. Describe your channel, and it will generate the video ideas, the scripts, the visuals, the B-roll, the whole thing on autopilot. Yeah, it is that easy. If this helped, hit subscribe. I drop a new video every single week on how to make viral content with AI tools, completely on autopilot. No filming, no editing, no face, just smart systems that print views. Drop a comment below with the topic of your next video. I want to see what you make, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.